trying to lick
Well,
his
he has his boo-boo.
He's trying to lick his butt.
He's trying to help him.
I know.
He's licking him.
He's trying to
What?
lick his owie.
Don't lick his poop.
He's pooping, I think, right now.
Yep.
Yeah, he's pooping.
Bo said no.
Just like, I want
Don't
to lick
eat
his
it.
poop.
Don't eat his
Oh!
Oh.
He's got poop everywhere. He's got
Damn.
Oh my goodness, Mom. He is pooping out.
He's really pooping.
He is like expelling weeks of waste.
Okay.
It's just
I don't
flowing.
know if I should be
Yep,
watching
I turned
this.
it off.
This
Yay,
is
he's pooping.
This is an exciting moment.
Oh.
Oh my God, that's a
Oh
lot.
my Lord. Oh, he's rolling in it.
Oh.
Mom, hurry. He's rolling in
That's
it.
okay. Just let him get it out. Maybe he had to turn on his side to let it out. Hurry, he's gonna. I'm not gonna touch him.
pinch it
So.
out. Oh, no.
He's crawling in it now.
Mom.
Angie, hurry, come in here. We need help.
Oh my God. It's everywhere.
Is there worms in it? Look for worms.
No, Osa, don't you dare lick that up.
It doesn't look like it.
I don't see any worms.